While we're up here on top of this roof, decided to do them a little favor. See if any of the gutters needed to be cleaned out. Just something quick to do for them, and really not a whole lot of leaves. Obviously that's a nice little clog. That's part of why the back of the building was so dirty. It was because of these clogs. That one's good. That's good. Yeah, simple little stuff like this. Again, we're up here. If there was a ton of stuff, what I would do, this is just to keep the silly birds out, because there's a lot that get up here. But just checking real quick. If these are really bad, though, we would recommend give them a price to clean them out. But we're already up here. It's only taking me a couple minutes just to walk the top of this whole building. And you can see from here, looks good.